Welcome to the future of lighting. Introducing SKYX Platforms, the company redefining how we connect, control, and experience lighting in our homes and workplaces. At the heart of this transformation is our Sky Plug technology, a safe, fast, and smart solution for installing and upgrading light fixtures and ceiling fans. The Sky Plug is built on advanced, integrated technologies that bring plug-and-play simplicity to lighting. With Sky Plug, replacing or upgrading a light fixture takes only seconds. No hassle, no stress, and completely safe to touch. And with our Sky Plug Smart, it's more than an easy installation. It has the ability to transform any light into a smart light. It's a connected experience with full smartphone integration by using our Sky Home app, including complete phone control, scheduling and dimming.
Hey Siri, turn the light on.
Voice activation with Siri, Alexa, Google Assistant, and SmartThings. Eco mode, night light, and backup light. And with Sky Plug at the foundation of our technology, our other lighting includes downlights, ceiling fans, wall sconces, and all-in-one solutions, including our Sky Fan and Turbo Heater, all powered by the same simple connection. SKYX Platforms isn't just building smarter and safer homes and workplaces. We're changing how the world installs them. SKYX Platforms, plugging into the future.